Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can clear cache in VIVO. So if you would like to clear the cache for any particular application, you will need to go into Settings, Apps, open the full list of installed apps, then find whatever app you would like to clear the cache and data for, and then storage and cache. Well, that's not the best example, obviously, so I'll go with contacts app, let's say. So yep, open the storage page for it and tap at the clear cache button over here. If you would like to wipe the entire cache partition for your system as well, you will need to firstly power off your device by holding the power button for a sec, then powering it off. Then once your device is completely shut down, you will need to simultaneously hold the power and volume down keys until the VIVO logo appears, then let them go. Or actually, my bad, yeah, you need to hold the volume up and power keys, not the volume down. So let me try to power off my device real quick and fix this mistake that I made real quick. So the device gets switched off. Now once it completely powers itself off, simultaneously hold the volume up key and side power key as well until the VIVO logo appears, then let them go. Once the fastboot menu launches, select the recovery mode, then give it a few seconds to boot up. Onwards, tap at the clear data, clear cache, OK. Then just return and, well, restart your device, or, well, power it back on, and, well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.